everyone. This year I want to grow some peppers and tomatoes. So here I have different varieties of tomato seeds and pepper seeds. I'm not really sure what variety it is. I just bought them online mix, so I just made sure they were like spicy peppers. So basically I'm gonna use paper towel method to start the process. I find it easier to start it this way instead of directly putting them in the soil, because I basically don't have success doing that. So basically what you do is put the seeds on the paper towel. Make sure you spread it out like that. So make sure it's not overlapping. This is my tomato plants, tomato seeds. I'm basically gonna use about maybe 50 or 60 seeds in one paper towel. Okay, sounds about right. So I'm gonna fold it like that, and then make sure all the covers are, all the corners are covered. So just make sure you hold it in, and then go to the sink or like get a bowl or something and wet the paper towel. Make sure it's not drenching wet, so you just like get some water out by squeezing, and then put it in the Tupperware. Make sure it's a clear Tupperware. So I'm gonna do the same thing with the peppers. My hand's a little bit wet, but it should be fine. So I'm gonna spread it out. And fold it again. And take it to the sink and then wet it. Squeeze the water out again. Okay, and put it back in the container. And then cover it with the Tupperware. It's better if the top cover is also clear, but this is fine as well. And then make sure you put it in a sunny area. I usually like to put it in my bedroom window, and then you should see them sprouting in a week or two. For these seeds I have, they sprout pretty fast, so I would be checking again in 1 week, and I'll let you know after 1 week when it sprouts.